Hello kids, let's learn to 2D shapes drawing and beautiful color. Fill. First color name red color, light pink color, purple color, yellow color, brown color and orange color and green color and blue color. Shapes drawing kids, green color. Circle, star, pentagon, triangle, hexagon, heart. Kids color wheel, pink color, pink color circle, light green color, star, yellow color, pentagon, orange color, triangle, sky blue color, hexagon, blue color, heart, shapes name repeat, circle, star, pentagon, triangle, hexagon, heart. Kids, this video like and my channel subscribe. Thanks for watching.